Nickel is a highly ductile, corrosion and oxidation-resistant metal. It has a high melting point, a high density, and a moderate thermal and electrical conductivity. These characteristics make it essential for building infrastructure, chemical production, energy supply, environmental protection, and food preparation. Here is what you need to know about nickel. Nickel is a metallic element with a silvery white, shiny appearance. It is the fifth most common element. A fair amount of the mineable nickel on Earth arrived with meteorites. The minerals from which most nickel is extracted are iron and nickel sulfides such as pentlandite, but it can also be found in other minerals. The historical use of nickel was the production of coins. Nickel-containing ores were an inexpensive way of giving coins a fine luster. Nickel alloys were used in the Middle Ages to make plate and chain armor. But it was not until nickel's discovery in 1750 that this metal additive was fully understood. 70% of global nickel production goes into stainless steel, which is used to produce alloys with a combination of properties that offer both formability and strength at high temperatures. Through its ability to withstand high heat, nickel minimizes corrosion, allowing the metal to be used for several decades without replacement. Therefore, it is used in harsh environments such as jet engines, offshore installations, and power generation facilities. A fast-growing use case are batteries for energy storage and electric vehicles. In 2021, Indonesia was the largest producer of nickel from mines, at 37% of world mine production. The global mine production of nickel from sulfide and laterite-type ore deposits stood at around 2.8 million metric tons in 2021 and needs to increase substantially to reach the energy transition goals up to 2050. Many battery technologies for electric vehicles tend to use 90% nickel, and according to McKinsey, global nickel demand will grow from 3 million tons in 2022 to 5.8 million tons in 2040, mainly due to electric vehicles. To reach this production target, substantial investments in nickel mining are required. Nickel is one of the easiest metals to recycle and currently around 68% is recycled. Nickel has outstanding physical and chemical properties, which make it essential in many products. Its biggest use is in alloys to produce stainless and heat-resisting steels. Examples of alloy use cases are kitchenwares, mobile phones and medical equipment. Nickel is a key component of lithium-ion batteries, which represent the largest source of expected future demand. The nickel industry is facing serious environmental challenges, ranging from water use to greenhouse gas emissions. Significant water pollution by heavy metals has been observed near nickel mines, harming animals and humans. Working conditions in mines are harsh and nickel fumes may cause pneumonitis. Exposure to nickel can lead to the development of dermatitis known as nickel itch in sensitive individuals. Despite these negative points, nickel is a crucial part of batteries and the industrialization of the world. Invest in the clean energy future. Invest with Talk Capital Management.